How to fix TikTok draft video problem. So if you're facing a problem with your TikTok draft, like if you open up your TikTok application and go for your profile, and here you will have your draft right on the left side, but for now I don't have any draft. So if you have your draft and if that drafts are not being opened, then now first you need to check your internet connection, because TikTok has made new update in which you can only use, or you can only view your draft when you have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your drafts won't be loaded. So check the internet connection, and after checking the internet connection, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that and go for your settings and go for apps and notifications and open up your TikTok application on your settings and go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for TikTok. And after searching, if you have an update option, then simply tap on update, and you need to update your TikTok application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then simply restart your device. Hold on to that powered button for 2 to 3 seconds, and then here you will get the restart option. Simply tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.